Moringa so far has been pretty incredible when you think about the properties that are in pomegranate juice and the properties that are in aloe vera. But I'm really excited to learn more about the moringa tree. That's something I've heard very little about.
The moringa tree is perhaps the most nutritious plant on the planet. 1/2 ounce of dried moringa leaf has 100% of the protein that a child needs, has 250% of the calcium, it has 100% of the magnesium, it has 500% of vitamin A, it has 14 times the iron that red meat has in it. It's an amazing nutritional product. In fact, over in one of the countries in Africa, country of Senegal, they have what's called the Moringa Project. Over in this particular country, 4 out of 5 of the children were dying before the age of 5 due to malnutrition and bad water. By providing a mere 1/2 ounce of the dried leaf powder to these infants and children are actually putting on weight, they are thriving, they have energy, and the most important thing, they are living past the age of 5. It's an amazing project. In Ayurvedic medicine, the medicine that is practiced in the country of India, they have found over 300 different medicinal uses for parts of the moringa tree. Scientific research conducted by European countries and the United States have shown the moringa tree to help control blood pressure, help control blood sugar, help with anxiety, help with colon inflammation. It's an amazing, amazing product. We mentioned earlier that the moringa tree is a very effective antioxidant. It's very high in the antioxidant vitamins A, vitamin C, vitamin E. It's also very high in the B complex vitamins. Now, also, the moringa has the beta-cytosterols in it in high quantity. Remember the beta-cytosterols? That is that molecule that helps pull the fat out of the plaque, helps reduce the swelling of the prostate, helps reduce estrogen levels or estrogen dominance in the body. And I'm going to talk about that in a minute. And it also helps increase the nitric oxide levels in the body. Also found in the moringa plant or the moringa leaf is a molecule called zeatin. Zeatin is a very effective anti-aging molecule. Again, that when we're talking about anti-aging, we're talking about trying to increase the length of those cell cycles so that the cells don't experience that point of no return where they can't regenerate themselves. In moringa, the zeatin is up to 1,000 times higher than most plants found on the planet.
Wow.
It's an extremely effective anti-aging compound.
Dr. Hansen, you've talked about the moringa tree leaf and what it does. Now I understand that in pogamunga there is also the seeds. What benefit does that have on our health?
The seeds are an amazing story in and of themselves. The seeds can actually be crushed up and thrown into putrid water, and I'm talking about water with fungus in it and bacteria and chemicals, and the seed will actually attract those pollutants to it and drop it out of solution so that the water can then be partaken of without making one sick. In fact, there are some projects over in Africa, water purification projects, wherein they are using the seed to do just that.
Okay, but what does that do in the body?
Well, if you can imagine this, anything that it comes in contact with, any bacteria, fungus, any chemicals that it comes in contact with, it's going to attract those to it and then safely escort it out of the body so that those things can't do damage to the body.
Well, when I think about it, we are a lot water. So wouldn't it be a major detoxifier?
Exactly, Devon, and that's just what it's going to do. It's going to pull toxins and pollutants out of the body that cause free radicals and therefore reducing free radical damage in the body. In other words, it's going to be a powerful anti-aging component.
I like that about the anti-aging.
Me too.